Hello guys, Softone here, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create awesome bitmap halftone effect in After Effects without using any third-party plugins. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we're here in After Effects, and as usual I have already created the final composition and I have imported the media O1. You will of course import your own footage, and in this tutorial we're gonna be creating bitmap halftone effect. And this effect is super popular in motion graphics and also music videos because they create kind of retro printed texture using animated dots or tiny squares. Okay, let's get started. For the first thing, let's go right click to create new solid layer, and this is gonna be checkerboard effect. Okay, and for the width and height I will do full HD, hit OK, go back here inside the effects and presets and find checkerboard effect. We will use this effect as a reference to our footage. Okay, and for the width I will change this to 4, this is optional, and later on you can always go here and change the number. Okay guys, now it's time to create first adjustment layer. Go right click and find here new adjustment layer, and this is gonna be just black and white. Of course you can rename it as you want. Go back here inside the effects and presets, and for the first one I will add mosaic effect. Under the stylized category, drag and drop onto our adjustment layers, and for the horizontal blocks I will type 960, and for the vertical 540. Go here and turn on these sharp colors, but this is also optional, it depends on our footage. Okay, for the next effect, go back here inside the effects and presets, and I'm gonna type CC threshold effect, this one, and drag and drop onto the adjustment layer, and basically for the threshold I will change to 128. And as you can see, we have already created this cool looking retro effect. Go back here inside the effects and presets, and for the final one, this is gonna be tint effect. Drag and drop onto adjustment layer and basically just swap the color, and as you can see, our footage is looking great. Now you can also turn on this option, sharp colors, whatever you like, and in every moment later on also check this option, checkerboard, and you can type here smaller number and play around with this cool looking effect. I'll just turn this off, and when we go back here inside the checkerboard, let's try for example 3 and let's type 0. This looks cool to me. I'll close this effects control for now. Drag and drop our media O2, different footage, turn off everything. This is our girl walking inside the forest. Okay, and now I will turn on the effect back on, and this is gonna be the effect. Hit F3 again, and you can experiment with everything. Let's try here sharp colors. I don't like the results. Also check the checkerboard effect, and for the width let's try maybe 5 or 4. It's up to you to play around with this cool looking effect. Let's hit 0 once again, and this is gonna be our cool looking retro printed effect here inside After Effects in just a few simple steps. Alright guys, that was everything for today's tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. So if you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss any future After Effects tutorials. Also guys, feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know what you like to see next. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative and bye bye.